Kenya William RUTO ritukuria rero ukwana hase umwega hobare ntamo haba bwatani kurwa seji sector orogongo rwa Afrika ya mocha sensemo ya Diani county ya Kwale niga kwaniro kugani ukororo kwemiroberio yokobekwa ni serikali chorogongo rwa Afrika ekwenekia abaremi ngokini gwa bare ebirengo bya basekeri buna nigo barache kwenekia emiroberio yokoroisia chibesa na gokonya abana inchi abo umubaro monge hoganrate gokina asorogongo rwa Afrika
is at a reflection point, because Africa will have a quarter of the world's population will be living in our continent by 2050. And 2050 is just, 20 years from now, 20-something years from now. We will have the largest in the world coming from this continent. Because of the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, we will have the largest single market in the world in this continent. And we have resources and we have assets. We have 2/3 of the world's remaining arable land. I was told by the former president of the Africa Development Bank that the future billionaires will be farmers. That is why I'm trying farming myself. And aside from that, we have huge mineral and natural resources in our continent. It is both an opportunity and a risk. Because of what I have said about our continent, there is need for thought leaders. There is need for intelligence leaders to think about how we are going to organize ourselves.